So for this experiment, we would be doing the fracture analysis. We will need the glass sheet with the attached place of placing the packaging tape. I will need the 2 9x12 sealable bags, the foam sheet, which I have right here. I will also need my hammer, nail, and I will need masking tape. I will need permanent marker, sheet of black construction paper, which I have right here, pair of disposable gloves, I have both of them, and then I will also need my safety glasses, and then metal tweezers right here, and hand lens. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is put on my gloves. So once I have my gloves on, it says to put on your gloves. I need to also put on my safety glasses. Then it says to wrap the edges of the glass sheet with masking tape, which I already done. And then it said to use a permanent marker to label the masking tape on one side impact. This is the side of glass that you will hit with the nail with the hammer. It does not matter if the impact side has the clear tape. Okay, so see, I went ahead and put it on because it's easier to do it without my gloves. And then it says place the glass sheet in a 9x12 sealable plastic bag, which would be the bag that it came with. So I'm going to slide it into here. Okay, and then it says to press the air out of the bag and seal the bag. Then it says place the sheet and bag inside of a second 9x12 sealable plastic bag. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it. If I can get this one open. And I'm going to place it into another bag, just like this. Okay. Sealing it. So just like that, I have both of them in the bag. I need to let a little air out. Okay. Just like that. So I have both of them placed into both of my bags. And then it says place a sheet of foam on a durable surface such as the ground or floor. I'm working on a hard disc, so I'm going to use it. And then I'm going to place the sheet, move my construction paper out the way. Okay. Place the glass sheet and bags on the foam surface with the side labeled impact facing up. This is the side of the glass you will impact. Position a nail on the surface of the glass and apply force to the nail with a hammer. You'll need to supply a good amount of force to create a consistent fraction, but use caution so that the glass does not completely shatter. A few light taps of the hammer. So use caution. A few light taps of the hammer. So okay. Then it says you get the feel for the process, how much force you need. Increase the force until the glass fractures. If in an area a few inches from the first impact that is relatively clear, apply another force to the glass with the hammer and the nail. Carefully remove the glass sheet in a plastic bag from the outer plastic bag. So I'm going to go over here. Okay. And so carefully remove the glass sheet and inner plastic bag from the outer plastic bag. So I'm going to take it out just like this. Lay this one to the side. Remove the glass sheet from the inner plastic bag and set it on a sheet of black construction paper. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to a piece of foam, my construction paper. I'm going to carefully move it. I'm going to set it right here. Okay, so just like that. I have a couple shards of glass I'm going to try to keep in there. Okay, so you can see it. My camera's kind of moved. Okay, so this is after it's been impacted. And then it says, use a camera to photograph it. Use the fractures in the glass, taking note of your observations. Permanent marker labeled a large shard of glass with the letter I for impact. So a large shard, which would be right here with I for impact. Okay. Use tweezers to remove the shard of glass from the sheet. This may require removing some masking tape from the edges. Examine the edges of the shard with a hand lens, taking note of your observations. Use the 3R rule to confirm the size of the impact. Okay, so I'm going to take a set of tweezers and I'm going to remove a broken piece. So I need to take a piece of my masking tape off, which would probably be easiest, would probably be this one here. Okay. Set it to the side. Now I'm going to remove this piece. So I'm going to remove all of this. Okay. So I have the piece of glass removed. And it says use tweezers to remove the shard of glass. This may require removing some duct tape. Examine the edges of with the hand lens, taking notes of your observations. When you have completed the experiment, slide the construction paper into the glass sheet and shards into the inner plastic bag. Seal it and then place it onto the outer plastic bag. Seal the outer plastic bag. Okay. And then throw it in the trash. So I'm going to take my hand lens that I have right here and I'm going to observe it. It looks like a pretty clean break. There are a few chips where it shattered in the middle, but overall it's a pretty solid break, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take that will be all.